Morning, this is Mike, Wildcat Hollow Farm. This is an update on the breaking ground video. Seems to be not my week for machinery. The tension control cable on the tiller snapped. I had to completely deconstruct the tiller to get into it, to look at it, to find out it was actually broken and can't be repaired. Well, it could be repaired, however it can't be repaired by us because the tiller is German made. The company is a little bitty one in some off-the-wall town in what used to be eastern Germany, and we can find the tiller for sale, or actually Petercan since it's in German, but no parts. And even if we did find parts, it'd probably be the end of the summer before we got it. So I had to get creative. And when I say creative, I mean wood and zip ties. All that does is keep tension pushed on the motor, which is what keeps tension on the belt to run the tines. And it actually works, albeit it's a bit dangerous at the moment. But I did this section yesterday, and it actually works fairly well. Got to finish that and do the grass and part of the section I did yesterday and then the day before. So we're getting there, one little step at a time.